Hey, what's up? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. And today I'm going to be talking about how to make $1,000,000 with the math. I'm going to break down the math. And I got this math from the Millionaire Booklet by Grant Cardone. And I think it's really interesting and very important for us to know the numbers. Because if you don't know the numbers, if you're just saying, hey, I just want to make $1,000,000, but you don't know what it's really required to do it, you got to know the math. Okay, so here's the math. All right, so we're just going to go over the math when it comes to making $1,000,000. Again, this is based on Grant Cardone's Millionaire Booklet, and you can find all that information right in that. So to start off, I'm just going to show you a few different things. A salary of $50K for 20 years. That will get you to $1,000,000. And as I go through these, just start thinking like in your head, like, am I on track? What can I do to get on track? What can I do to come up with something to do this? And you'll start getting some answers. So salary of $100K for 10 years. Salary of $250K for 4 years. Earn $114 per hour every hour for the year. 5,000 people buy a $200 product. 2,000 people buy a $500 product. 10,000 people buy a $100 product. 1,000 people buy a $1,000 product. 5,000 people pay $17 per month for 12 months. Now I'm going to stop right here just for a second and kind of like share my ideas about this. So 5,000 people pay $17 for a month for 12 months. So how could you come up with something that pays $17 a month for 12 months? 5,000 people. Well, I know of some Facebook groups out there that are definitely doing this. And all they do is just offer basically training on a daily basis. And, people pay the money. And I know groups that have more than 5,000 people. This is just an example, just to get your mind thinking, right? I know groups that have more than 5,000 people, have 10,000 people plus, and people are paying that amount or more per month, plus annual stuff as well. So it's a very doable thing. It's really not that complicated when you really start looking at the numbers. Okay, so 2,000 people pay $42 per month for 12 months. Just 2,000 people. That's really not a lot of people. 1,000 people pay $83 per month. 500 people pay $167 per month for 12 months. 300 people pay $278 per month for 12 months. Okay, so what I want to do now is I just want you to think like, so how could you go about getting residual income so people are paying you month after month, or have income coming in around the clock, right? Maybe have some higher end sales that could pay you bigger, higher end things that could pay you bigger. Could that get you to 6 figures, even 7 figures and beyond? Absolutely it could. And so one of the things I do is I have residual income and I have back end sales. So what I do provides me with residual income, just like you saw. So if we go back up to, where is it? 5,000 people pay $17 per month for 12 months. Okay. So you want something that's going to pay you residual, right? So let me just go down a little bit here. Now, if you want something like that, I use a simple system that creates $20 residual income, but that's not all it creates. It creates 50% match from any of the sales, any of the people that come in with you, that you introduce it to. You make 50% of what they make. So it's not just the 20, it's the 50%. Plus there are a couple back-end sales where you earn $100 commissions over and over and $400 commissions over and over. And in time, this can really grow to a very sizable income. Okay, if that's something that appeals to you, if that's something that you would like to learn more about, all you need to do is go to the link right below the video, or just go to leadsareflowing.com leadsareflowing.com. Also, I want to let you know we have daily live training sharing with you exactly what to do to start earning residual income, back-end sales, and really just increase your income. And we have a 90-day live step-by-step training. So the training's there, the income's there. If that interests you in any way, go to leadsareflowing.com to learn more, or you can reach out to me. Thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video. I know it's a little different than what I usually do, but you got to know the math. You got to know the math. You got to have a plan of where you're going. So if 7 figures is something you want to attain, you got to know the math. So, rewind this video again if you missed the numbers, or just go get that book, Millionaire Booklet, and it's in that book. All right. So make it a great day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified when I do a new video, and I will see you next time.